In this video, I want to explain the concept of SAM, and FAP. So if you've been in contact lens practice, or if you've been practicing or reading for your exam, I hope you must have come across this acronym. SAM means steeper, add, minus, and flatter, add, plus. So you must have known this. Let's go to the basics, because I always want to explain the basics to the people. So why do you add minus when it's steeper, and why do you add plus when it's flatter? That takes us back to the video I made concerning over refraction and how you get your tear lens in over refraction. So let's go. When we did over refraction, I said for you to get your tear lens, the formula is tear lens equals to the flatter meridian, or the flatter K minus the base curve. So this is the formula for you to get your tear lens. Now, for you to get your tear lens. Now, I also said that base curve, if it was given in millimeter, you have to convert it to diopters. And for you to do that, you will use this refractive index constant, 33.75.5 over the base curve in millimeter. This will give it to you in diopters. So this, I was just trying to recap here. All right. So for you to understand what was happening in SAM and FAP, we had to understand this diagram here. So in this diagram, it's just showing us how a steeper lens looks like. And steeper than K means that the base curve is steeper than the flattest K. K is the surface of the cornea, and this is the posterior surface of the contact lens. Now, the formation of tear lens is between these two surfaces, and in a steeper fit, it forms a positive tear lens. So whenever a K is fitted steeper, it gives us a positive tear lens. And this is why, for you to neutralize this positive tear lens, you had to add minus. This is where SAM comes in. Okay, now the second diagram shows us a lens that is well aligned with the K. So this lens is said to be on K. So the base curve is equals to the flatter meridian. They are the same. In the contact lens question I solved, we saw where the flatter meridian is equals to the base curve. They have the same value. So we always say that fit is on K. So in that case, you have a neutral tear lens, neither positive nor negative. So you have a perfect fit. The fit is on K. Now, the last is the concept of SAM, where the base curve is flatter than the K. So in this case, what do we have? We have a negative tear lens. So the tear lens that will be formed here is a negative tear lens. So when you have a negative tear lens, for you to neutralize that negative tear lens, you have to add plus to neutralize this. So this is where the concept of FAP comes in. So whenever you fit a lens, a contact lens, and the base curve is flatter than the flattest K, you had to add plus to neutralize that minus tear lens that was formed. And when you fit contact lens and the base curve is steeper than the flattest K, you had to add minus for you to neutralize this tear lens that is formed here. This is the basic concept of FAP and FAM, or anything that has to do with tear lens formation. For recap, tear lens is equals to the flatter K minus BC. So this is the formula for you to get your tear lens power. All right, I hope you enjoyed it.